Hello everyone, and welcome to SKALD Crafts the Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to emboss and simply dye your leather projects. You'll need a cutter, an edger, a pencil, some tape, and of course your sketch. Also, you will need transferring paper, a bucket with water, a swivel knife, stamps, leather dye, and most important, coffee. Start by cutting out your sketch and roughly mark the area you want to work on and cut out your patch of leather. Cut out the desired shape you just marked using the cutter. Use the edger to smooth out the edges of your piece. Time for coffee. Cut the transferring paper to shape and fix it with your sketch onto your piece. Make sure you have the transferring surface facing the leather. Now follow all the lines with your pencil to transfer everything onto the leather. You can use your pencil to fix parts you missed or even add more shapes. For the next step, gloves are helpful but not needed. If you're doing this often, protect your skin. Dip your piece into the water to make it wet. You don't have to soak it. The leather will be very soft and react to light pressure from the swivel knife. Don't cut all the way through the leather, just lightly cut the surface. Keep the piece wet and dip it again if you need to. The leather will become harder the drier it gets. You'll see when the leather turns a lighter shade. Work your way along every line you transferred using your swivel knife. It is finally time for the stamps to add depth to your cuts that you made with the swivel knife into the surface. You can use a hammer to add more force and to achieve different effects. By angling the stamps differently, you will get different results. This might be the longest step, but take your time, it's definitely worth it. For the final step, pour your dye into a cup and use a sponge to rub it all over the piece. We used a solventless antique dye. Please wear gloves. You can be messy here, just make sure to cover every single bit, and don't forget those edges. We'll show you some other dyeing techniques another day. And that's it. Happy crafting. See you next time.